So today, August 4, 2018, is Sink the Planet Day. It happens first Saturday of August every year. It's an annual world motorcycle ride event where motovloggers and riders from all across the globe create a motovlog at exactly the same time, all in support of each other as motorcyclists and global unity. Basically, it's a group of motovloggers organizing group rides at the exact same time regardless of where they are in the world and recording a motovlog about the themed topic. For example, London riders will ride at 11 am, New York riders at 6 am, in India at 3:30 pm. But before I go on a tour, I am currently taking my bike for a wash. Hello guys, I am Vyom from India and this is my bike. I am about to embark on a journey to let you show the most awesome road which I have found here in India, and it's about time. And it's about to be. Let's go! So this was the most awesome road I have ever found in around Delhi.